Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a birthday card in Microsoft Word. So let's started. Firstly, open your desktop and open the Word document file and click on the Microsoft Word and click on the blank document. This show the blank document is new page. Firstly, create a page size option in going to the layout option and click on the size option and paper size in 4.5 and 5.5. Over OK. And page orientation is landscape. This page is birthday card. In going to design menu option and click on the page color option, then choose color and page border option, then choose border. Okay. This birthday card is page birthday page background name is going to the watermark option and click with the custom watermark and click for the text watermark and this name happy birthday and select your font size and click for the color option, then choose color now for OK. Then show the page background is name. Firstly, in name is going to the home menu option and this text is font style and going to the font style option is the align center. Firstly his name is text is font size and the page font style option and date of birth it's okay. Then I show the birthday card is Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoy video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.